Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to update Instagram app on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you get it to do so? If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's try to update. In order for you and me to update, we need to go to the Apple Store on the iPhone or iPad. After that, in the search box, we need to write the word Instagram. As soon as we have written, click Find and find the application. And here, look, it says Update. Because I need to update to the new version. You might see it says Open. That means the new version is not yet available. And you have to wait. If it says Update, or so, you go in, and it says Update. You can click on it, and it will update the application. That's how easy it can be done. And then there's another way. You can go to Settings. Open the General tab. iPhone Storage, and through iPhone Storage you can find the Instagram app. Then click Unload. You'll still have all the documents and data, so you'll delete it. You'll download it again. And then most importantly, you'll download the most recent version that you've ever had. You may not have the latest version in the Apple Store yet, but if you go through the settings and try to unload the application, you will download the new version and you will be able to update it. After the update comes, you will click on Enter. You will not need to enter your username and password. You will immediately find yourself on your accounts. This is how easy it can be done. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you, and if you still have any questions. Write in the comments and be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Thank you all very much for watching. Who saw this video to the end. Share it with your friends. Goodbye.